Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Roixeeds lawn mower lift jack. There are include: easy operation. Elevate your maintenance and repairs with the ride-on lawn mower jack lift. Specially engineered for lawn mowers and garden tractors, this telescopic maintenance jack is the perfect tool for easy and efficient equipment servicing. 882 pounds weight capacity. With a weight capacity of 882 pounds, this lawnmower lift jack can handle a variety of garden tractors and lawn mowers. This tractor jack will be the best choice for owners who want to maintain their mowers themselves. Easy to use. Equipped with a manual handle and a power tool extension handle, lifting the lawn mower with this tractor jack takes only a few seconds, making the operation easy and time-saving. The tilt angle can be adjusted up to 35 degrees, accommodating various equipment types at different heights. Sturdy and durable. This lawnmower lift is made of high-quality iron with sturdy construction. It is suitable for all models of lawn mowers, ensuring long-lasting stability and reliable support. Easy to installation. Simple and easy to assemble in a few minutes. After use, it can be folded up compactly and stored in the garden shed or garage, which saves a lot of space. The lawnmower lift is made of high-quality steel construction, super sturdy and stable, with a maximum load capacity of 882 pounds with this jack lift. You no longer need a cleaning and maintenance company, you can easily maintain your lawnmower or garden tractor by yourself. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.